Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while and now I'm gonna come back and make some videos for you. I got lots of stuff that I got for my new quad build and I'm going to show you some of them. Of course I'm gonna come back and finish the project of the A959, but today I'm gonna start easy. I'm gonna show you a new tool rack that I got for myself, for all my tools that I use. I'm gonna build it. It's the Tarot screwdriver rack. It's made out of plastic. It came exactly like this, but it was covered. The plastic was this protective cover. And this is all the screws and stuff you got with it. It doesn't come with any guide on how to build it, so I'm going to show you so you have an easier job if you choose to get one yourself. So first of all, I'm going to start at the bottom. Got very slick black plastic. Get this long screw, it's 2mm hex inside, and same for all four. It's a bit tricky. That's it. Now you take the four shorter aluminium tubes, all four of them, and I get the longer ones. Of course, put one of the plates. Doesn't really matter which way. The next one will matter. And four. Turn to the side. Hold one. Again 2mm. Tighten up. That's it. And for the top, make sure you put it the right way. You see the small holes on top of it. Now with the four small screws. That's it, it's done. I think it's very nice, very slick tool rack. Let's put some tools in. You can see screws, pliers, can probably this way, the motor holder. So you probably get the idea. You have screwdrivers, the small ones, just like this. So the reason I make these videos separately, I'm not going to continue in this video, so everyone can see what they like to see, not just a long video. So that's it for this video. Hope this helps you. See you guys next time.